Hey guys, it's Ben with HRG Offroad. Today we're gonna go get a new vehicle for the fleet. We are getting a brand new 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz SEL Turbo. So I'm very excited, and let's take a look. This is my sales guy. Want to tell everybody what's up?
What's up, everybody?
So this is the new whip for HRG 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz. I actually really like this thing. Say what you will about it being, you know, not a real truck, but I actually really like this thing. It's got almost 280 horsepower and it scoots. So we're gonna test it out off-road though and see how that goes, and obviously make a lift kit for it. Stay tuned for that. All right, driving the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz. First impressions, it's comfortable, it's nice. I love the tech. It's got a nice screen in the dash. One important thing for me is power. I have a bit of a lead foot, I'll admit. Hyundai claims that this has 280 horsepower, but I'll be honest, it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, I don't know, it's not that great. And I suspect that it could be that the salesman filled it with 87 octane when I picked it up, and that does make a difference. The computer will compensate for the low octane fuel and reduce power. So I think what we need to do is do some testing with the 87 versus 93 octane and see how much difference there is. That'll be in a future video. All right, got her back to the shop, and now we are taking our initial measurements. So what we got to do here is measure center to center on these studs here, and then on these studs here, and that way we will have the bolt pattern, and I'll program that into the CAD. All right, here it is, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This is our latest project. We're gonna make a 1.5 inch lift kit for this car, plus a skid plate and ditch light brackets and whatever else we can come up with. I just bought this yesterday. It has about 49 miles on it, and it will be lifted before the end of the day. That's how we do things here at HRG. Hope you guys like it, and here we go. 8:30 a.m. and we're ready with our first prototype cut. This is gonna be the very first Hyundai Santa Cruz plate coming right up. Let's see what Santa Claus has brought for us today. These are a black Rhino boxer in a 17x8 configuration with a 40mm offset. For sale right now on HRGoffroad.com. Comes with instructions. Jeez. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. So these are gonna be made in China, of course. Designed in USA though, that's a plus. And the answer to the what size tire question is 255/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak tires. All right guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this one. If you want to see what the Hyundai Santa Cruz will do up against the Bronco Sport in an off-road situation, definitely hit like and subscribe to the channel, because some of the next coming up videos are going to be basically a head-to-head between the Santa Cruz and the Bronco Sport. So keep an eye out for that. Appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Comparing the Bronco Sport to the Hyundai Santa Cruz.